What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I was getting in my car and for the last few days I've been getting in my car and I get the increased battery discharge warning light. So it could be a few things. I know it's my battery because it's the original battery. Could be an accessory plugged in causing it to drain. If you have a newer battery, that's most likely it. But if you've never changed your battery before, it's probably the battery. So I went ahead and picked up it's a 9H 950 cold cranking amps BMW battery, which we're going to replace. So stay tuned and let's get it changed out. So first thing you're going to want to undo is the two plastic bolts. It's 10 millimeter. And take those, I already loosened them up. And then we'll just pull out this whole insert. So the next thing you want to do is take off this plastic piece so this liner can come out. There's 4 of these plastic pins. Just get a little pry kit and pop them off. After you get this off, this pops right on out. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is there's a side bracket right here, which is a 13 millimeter. I already popped that off. And then this main bracket here. And then I'm going to disconnect the negative terminal first. I believe that is in 10. So pop the negative one off first. Set that aside. And then we have to take the whole power distribution assembly off, which you have to loosen this one up a little bit first, and then you loosen up the positive terminal side. You have these little clips on the side, you pop them off. This is also a 13 millimeter. And then the whole unit comes off. Make sure your battery, you slide it into this one slot first on the left side, and then I'll put these down. Take the plastic piece off the positive terminal. And then you also have this line here, I don't know if you can see it. It just goes into the side of the battery here. You want to make sure this is clipped into the lip. Now this isn't BMWs, you know, they're not just swapping out. We have to register the battery to the ECU after we're done installing it. Oh, where's my 13 millimeter? There she is. We're going to put our negative terminal back on. The lights are on, that's a good sign. Alright, last thing to do is put the liners back in. Some stickers in here. If you guys want to pick one of these up, head over to fitgarage.com. There's a link on there. You can become a member and get one of these for free. Alright, now we're done with the battery. Now I'm going to show you how to register it. Alright, so what we're going to need is my V-Peak adapter. I have the link below if you want to pick one of these up. I love it. If you're using Beamer code, or we're going to be using BimmerLink to register the battery. But you pick one of these up. These adapters, they're great. They work with Beamer code and BimmerLink. We're going to turn airplane mode on. Close that up. And then plug in your adapter. And that basically goes down where your OBD2 adapter inlet is. Once we get that going, we're going to turn the accessory on, head over to BimmerLink. Let's check the settings and make sure the adapter is selected, the correct adapter is selected. Done. And connect. And you're going to scroll over to battery. And then down here at the bottom says register battery replacement. So you see the kilometer last battery replacement. So now it says 99% state of charge. The old battery, I believe it was 80%. So we're done with that and we can disconnect. So like I was saying, why you want the turn the car off and then unplug it. unplug your V-peak adapter. So I was saying is why you need to register it is because the alternator works with the battery, and if you don't upgrade it, it's basically the alternator will be charging the battery at the same rate as the old battery. So it needs an update to so the ECU knows that it is a brand new battery, so the it's charging it properly. I'm gonna throw this old battery in the trunk, take it back to AutoWorks, and that's it. So I hope you guys like this video. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Drop me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.